Hi, Dave Snyder here. It is April the 15th, 2016, and I've got the weather over Japan right here. And those of you that have watched my videos for a while know exactly what that is. Know what that is. I think you do. If you don't, I'm going to show you right now what that is. So I saved an image of this just a few minutes ago. I saved a picture of it, or snipped it out, saved it, went to my Google Earth, and overlaid it over this picture of the moon. And you can already see the curve at the top, and it's there, it's there, it's there. And you can see this area here. Look at this. I'm just saying that there's some kind of magnetic. This side of the moon does not face the Earth anymore. So this side of the moon is not doing this to the Earth right now over Japan. I'm not saying that. I'm saying this spot is already over the Earth over Japan, or around Japan. This spot is already there. It's there on the Earth, on the ground right now, or that weather wouldn't be showing that. We know by now that the weather shows what's on the Earth surface. That's on the Earth's surface, but something is bringing it to the weather. I mean, something. The sun could be the sun. It could be the moon. More than likely, it's a different side of the moon pulling on this area right now. I know the moon is not facing this area. If we go to the gray line, it's not facing that area right now. The current view from the Earth. This might be from the sun. Earth from the sun. This is the sun. Oh wait, hold on. Earth from sun. That's the sun is pointing here right now. The moon is facing here right now. Okay, so it's not even, it's on the opposite side of the planet practically. If you go to Google Earth and see, we'll just go like this. This is where it's facing now. The moon is facing here. You go to the other opposite side of the planet, and where is it going to flip? Where is it going to flip? Right here. Right in that area. It's in the right area. So if we were to go from the center here, let's just go from the center of this, see where it flips now. Might even be the more accurate location where the moon might be facing. Let's see. Go back to the gray line. It's the center of the page. They say it's the center of the page. So right here is where the moon is facing. Right here. It's directly over this spot on the Earth. So the opposite side is close to Japan. Let's just put it that way. And just take another look at this. Take another look. I know people don't want to, it's alright if you don't think this is anything to do with it, except that's your choice to think that way. I just threw it up there. It only took a second. All I did was line up this edge. Everything else lined itself up. I'm not saying that it's exactly perfect or anything. It could be off a little bit. Well, yeah, this crater probably goes right there with that yellow spot right there. Look, let me just move it over a little bit for you. This way. Yep, a little more. Oh, there we go. Now that's probably a little bit more accurate. Maybe not. Yeah, it doesn't matter. That's where it goes. It goes right in there. You can see the other crater right here. That purple spot there. This is showing the surface of the Earth around Japan, and it's showing there's some. I mean, look at that. You can see Japan right there on the moon in this picture. So just pointing that out. There's a serious attraction right here. Right now, something's going on with the ground, under the ground. Whether it's the sun or the moon doing it, whatever it is, that weather's showing you something. So I just say, hold on, because it's not over, maybe. Might not be over yet. We rarely get to see this weather on, like Google Earth doesn't show that weather there. They won't even show it. They don't show shit on Google Earth anymore. I mean, you see any weather there? Hell no, they don't show anything. Watch. I'll take this picture away. Oh, this is not over Japan. Japan's up here, actually. It would show it up here, but there it is right there. See, there's the curve right there. That's what they show for that weather. It's up there. But I don't have this moon picture aligned up there. I have it aligned in a different place. I'm just showing you how that Japan weather does align to it. Definitely aligns to that crater. And you could probably get the lunar south pole with Schrodinger here and this, but I'm not trying to confuse you. I just want to show you the seriousness of that spot. It definitely shows something right there. I can clearly see Japan in that picture. Wow. All right, everybody have a good day. If you're in Japan, just try to get away from everything. All right, have a good one.